Alright, for everybody who likes Zippos as much as I do, got a real treat for you today. We're going to be unboxing the 50th Anniversary Playboy Edition Zippo. It's a limited edition. There's only 5,000 of these made. And here we go. Nice little box here. A little different from your standard Zippo box. The inside says this is number 3328. The finish is Purple Abyss, and it is a gorgeous Zippo. Absolutely beautiful. I really like the fact that the emblem doesn't take up the whole face on it. You can see the shiny finish of Purple Abyss behind the ladies there, and it says the Famous Playboy Club on it. What I also like is that on the side, I don't know if you can tell there, but it has a sequence number showing which one it really is. The reason I made this video is because I looked it up on YouTube to see if I could find another user that had this so I could take a look at it before I bought it, and I couldn't find one. So I kind of took a gamble getting it, but I figured it would be a nice one, and I don't think I was wrong on that at all. It was a very pretty Zippo. Glad to add this to the collection. There you have it.